Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good morning. I'm Victor, Mr. Najib. My name is Muhammad Fikri, and these are my group members. The first one is Adib, Aisha, Shasha, and Eliza. So today we will present about our topic, optical fiber communication. I'll start with the introduction. So fiber optic communication is a method of transmitting information from one place to another by sending pulses of light through an optical fiber. So the example of optical fiber communication, just like Unify or the very fast Wi-Fi. An optical fiber is a dielectric waveguide that operates at cylindrical frequency. So that's for introduction. Next, I will explain about the structure of optical fiber. So as you can see here, optical fiber consists of outer jacket, strand member, cladding, coating, and core.
Okay, structure of optical fiber. In order to better understand how fiber cable work, one should have a look of its component. When stripping optical fiber cable of its layers, following component can be observed: outer jacket, coating, core, cladding, and strand member. Core and cladding are typically made of glass or plastic. More important specification of the core is the index of retraction, which is the value of light bending passing through the material and for speed of the light could travel through material width. Cladding is having lower refractive index than the core. It allows light to stay inside the fiber and not escape into cladding, such it will be reflected. For coating, it's simply a protective layer that is protecting core and cladding from the fracture. Optical fiber are extremely fragile during cable installation. For strand members are indebted to provide additional support to the cable, preventing breakage of the optical fiber. The composition of optical cable starts with the outer jacket, which is made of strong and often flexible material.
So this is the general block diagram of optical fiber communication system. The information source provides an electrical signal to a transmitter comprising an electrical stage. The transmitter drives an optical source to give an modulation of the light wave carrier optical source. The light source converts electrical signal to optical signal. Then the fiber optic cable serves as transmission medium. The detector is responsible for optical to electrical conversion of data and hence responsible for the modulation of the optical carrier. It may be a photodiodes, phototransistors, and photoconductors. Then the receiver is applied to the optical receiver, which consists of photodetector, amplifier, and signal restorer. It is the final point at which we receive the information in the form of electrical signal.
So we'll be talking about advantage of optical fiber communication system. So first, the advantage is immense bandwidth to utilize. Second, high information carrying capacity. Third, very low transmission loss. Fourth, small size and lightweight. Fifth, high signal security. Sixth, immunity to interference and crosstalk. And lastly, very low power consumption and wide scope of system expansion.
Hello, I'm going to explain about the problems of optical fiber communication system. Have you ever experienced of having a lost connection to internet connection? That's maybe because of the element in the fiber optic itself, which is the presence of the impurity of metal ions. And next, it could be a broken fiber because of physical stress or excessive bending. It also could be insufficient transmitting power, and then the excessive signal loss due to a cable span that is too long, faulty of connectors, fiber optic contamination, and having too many splices or connectors. The problems of optical fiber also could be a distortion and noise. And lastly is the connection, the signal itself could lose from an absorption in optical fiber, residual ultraviolet and infrared absorption and relays. This is a solution for the optical fiber. The first one is when there is an impurities ion inside the optical fiber, there is optical fiber fabrication techniques that eliminate impurities are developed to reduce the attenuation. And then for the absorption in optical fibers can be minimized by drawing the fiber during production to minimize compositional variations. And also important to digitize to avoid distortion and added noise. Next is we have to diagnose the fiber cable by disconnect both ends of the fiber and hold a laser pointer or a bright flashlight out to the cable to see if the light comes out at the other end. This is also could be a troubleshoot for the optical fiber. And the last one is to avoid fiber optic cable that has excess length, as it will at risk bending, twisting or winding around itself.